Hello, this is Bryant from Plugin Optimizer, and in this video we're going to go through creating a group filter. So I have a clean install of Plugin Optimizer here, and the first thing we're going to do is click on Groups, and then we're going to create a group. Now the reason you'd want to create a group is if there are a certain set of plugins that you know you want to block on particular pages every time. And so in this particular group, we're going to block all of the WooCommerce plugins. So we're going to call this WooCommerce. Now we'll block all of the WooCommerce related plugins. I think that's all of them, and we'll save the group. Now if you click back on groups, you'll see that we have a WooCommerce created group that has 4 plugins in it based on this count here. So now we can go to filters, and if we wanted to create a filter, let's say we're going to create a filter for the home page, and we'll say Woo homepage filter. All we would need to do is put in the URL, in this case just a slash so it shows it's the home page, and then come down here to the group and click the group, and it'll automatically filter all of the plugins in that group. And then we go down here and we hit Save Filter. And now, to go test this, we'll go to the home page and we look at Plugin Optimizer, and it says there are 4 block plugins, and they are the WooCommerce plugins. There are 7 running plugins. And that's as easy as it is to create a group filter in Plugin Optimizer.